Welcome to our YouTube channel, where we take you through the exciting process of constructing a 25 by 50 size house. In this video, we will guide you through each step, from the initial planning to the final touches. Step 1. Site preparation. Clear the construction site. Level the ground and remove any obstacles. Mark the boundaries of the house. Step 2. Foundation work. Excavate the foundation trenches. Lay the foundation footings. Install the foundation walls. Step 3. Frame. Construct the structural framework. Build walls, floors, and roof systems. Install beams and columns. Step 4. Plumbing and electrical. Install plumbing lines for water supply and drainage. Plan and lay electrical wiring and outlets. Step 5. Insulation and HVAC. Install insulation materials. Set up the heating, ventilation, and air conditioning (HVAC) system. Step 6. Exterior finishes. Apply exterior wall finishes, such as siding or stucco. Install windows and doors. Step 7. Interior finishes. Install drywall on interior walls and ceilings. Apply paint or wallpaper. Install flooring materials. Step 8. Cabinetry and fixtures. Install kitchen cabinets and bathroom fixtures. Mount sinks, toilets, and bathtubs. Step 9. Electrical and plumbing fixtures. Mount light fixtures, switches, and electrical outlets. Connect plumbing fixtures and faucets. Step 10. Final touches. Conduct a thorough inspection of the house. Perform necessary touch-ups and repairs. Clean the construction site. Congratulations on completing the construction of your 25 by 50 size house. We hope you found this step-by-step guide helpful. Stay tuned for more exciting content on our YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.